Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin on damp hair that's towel blot damp, roughly 60–70% dry. Apply 1–2 pumps of the curls styling foam into your palm. Spread it between hands so you don't overload a single spot. Once done, work from the back forward, applying foam to 1/2 to 1 inch sections and finger combing product through from roots to ends. Make sure to cup and lift each section to encourage natural curl formation rather than flattening the strands. You now shape curls intentionally. Twist or rake each section with your fingers to encourage definition and scrunch upward toward the scalp to build volume. Once done, make sure to avoid brushing. Instead, use a wide-tooth comb only before foam. If you prefer heat, diffuse on low with a gentle circular motion until 80% dry to set shape without crunch. Use small extra amounts of foam on frizz-prone areas, but distribute it evenly so you finish by either air drying completely or using a cool diffuse to set curls. During drying, avoid touching to prevent frizz. Once dry, break the cast by gently scrunching to restore natural movement and add a few drops of serum for shine if needed. If curls end up limp, mist lightly and reapply a pea-sized amount of foam, then scrunch. If they're crunchy, gently scrunch with a little oil to soften. Make sure to test small adjustments before treating the whole head.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.